Okay, Assalamualaikum. We are from Electrical Machine BEE 2123 Section 01G. We are Ibrahim Adham bin Muhammad Aziz, EA 19100, Muhammad Yusof bin Shamsuddin, EC 19089, and Muhammad Azri bin Zuhairi, EC 19097. We are going to present about single phase and three phase for open circuit and short circuit.
First, we are going to do a single phase transformer simulation. First, we're going to do an open circuit test. Here is our AC voltage setup, which is 240 volt and a frequency of 50 Hz. And here is our single phase transformer setup, which is the power rating is 250 VA and the frequency is 50 Hz. The first winding setup is a 240 volt and the second winding parameter setup is 415 volt. Run it first. And here, this is our value where the VOC is 240 volt, the IOC is 0.002946 ampere, and the POC is 0.4998 watt. And we get the value of RC 1.152E plus 0.5, and the IC is 0.002083. The value of IN is 0.002083. The value of XM is 1.152E plus 0.5. The value of LM is 366.7 and the power factor is 0.707.
Next is the single phase for the short circuit test. So for the short circuit test, we calculated and figure out the AC voltage source is 38.4 and the frequency is 50. Next, we have the transformer. Transformer we have at 250 for the power rating and 50 for frequency. At the winding, we have 240 and the second winding, we have 460. Then after we run it, we can see that the PSC is 0.9867. Then we have the ISC, which is 1.041 ampere. This is also equivalent to the I full load, where 250 is divided by the 240 and we get the I full load. Next, we have the VSC, which is 38.4 volt. Next, we have the Z equivalent. We use VSC, ISC, PSC to figure out the Z equivalent and the R equivalent, which we can then figure out the S equivalent and the L equivalent. Next, we are going to find the efficiency. So for the efficiency, we have this circuit to find the P1, I1, and the Pout, PO, and I2. We have solved the V2. Next, we use this this block to find the using V2 and I2 to find the PF. Then by using the PF and 250 and this we get from the PSC and this we get from the POC and we get the efficiency. At this we provided two using PF and another one doesn't use PF and we still get the same value, which is 99.41% efficiency.